Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. How y'all doing on today? So I'm so glad that you decided to stop by. I'm sure you guys already know about the thumbnail. I'm talking about these raggedy braids I have in my hair. So what I'm just showing to you guys are the ends of my braids. I can't stand this. They are just matting together. They have a lot of straggly ends going on here. Sometimes I get it right, sometimes I don't. I have been kind of experimenting with different braiding hair to see what I like, and y'all, this is not it. Okay, it's not it at all. So I have taken my hair twist down from my head, and I'm going to use one of these goodie bands instead. So basically what I'm doing is just freshening up my braids best I can, because I definitely want to get another week or so out of these. So to style these braids, I'm going to go in and I'm going to put a twist tie in half of my braids. So half up, half down pretty much is the concept that you guys see here. It doesn't take a whole lot of hair at the top, so that's why I kind of look the way that it looked. Now you're good here, you don't have to go any further than here, but because my ends are struggling on these braids, the ends are so straggly, I do not want to keep anything down on my neck or back. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of my mousse, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply it throughout my hair, but I'm mainly focusing on my ends. I want to try to get them as smooth as possible. This is just an option that you can do if you decide to just continue to wear half up, half down, if you're having issues with the ends of your braids like I am. Okay, so going in again with more of the mousse, focusing on the ends there and throughout the braids. What I'm showing you guys is, look at how these braids at the ends are shedding. They are shedding. Every time I touch the ends, it just shed. By the way, if you're not following me on the IG, there's my information there. Please follow me on Instagram. I'm constantly updating there. Okay, moving forward. So I'm just going to do a quick updo style. So as you guys can see, the hair that was hanging down, I'm just going in twisting it. Okay, nothing special. This is more so to give you the concept. I didn't do it very neatly. I just wanted to kind of show you the process, the concept. Once I've twisted the back, I bring it up forward, and then I'm curving around the end and I'm tucking it into the roll. Okay, trust the process. If you do it right and you do it neatly, this is absolutely a beautiful style. So the top that I had in the twist tie, I split in half, and then I twisted it around and tucked it into the roll. So you will need some bobbies or bobby pins to pin everything down like you guys see here. Okay, boom. And I typically only use one, but you can use two. I think I could have used two or three, so use as many bobbies as you need. I'm taking the other half and I'm twisting it around as well. So basically what's going to happen is you're going to have a roll in the back with a little knot at the top. Okay, put your baby hairs in order, or get your baby hairs in order. So get your favorite gel that you like and sleek down those baby hairs, you know, however you guys prefer to zhuzh it up, just to give it a little bit more pizzazz. Put on your favorite earrings, and that is somewhat of the concept. That's what your braids should look like. So y'all, this is such a cute style. If you're one of those young ladies that like wearing those extremely long braids that come all the way down to your knees or whatever have you, your top knot would be even bigger than mine, but you could most certainly accomplish this style. This completes today's video. I'll see you tubes in the next one. Smooches.